just close the toilet bowls. Oh, I found the deepest level. What's up, y'all? It's Teddy. Welcome to Power Joe Massacre. This is a game from like the 1970s or something. I know I'm late to the party. It's a horror game and it's made from Puppet Combo. So you know it's gonna be scary. Without further ado, let's get into it. Oh yeah, so what is this like whiteness on each side of my screen? It's kind of buggy. Bugging me. Am I doing something wrong? What the fuck? Someone died! Jeff, are you okay? Ugh, I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. I thought I was only one person. Oh, crap. This is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. You know, instantly, I remember many years ago I saw a video, and I'm pretty sure it was this character a long time ago. I'm pretty sure she dies and goes like, and falls, you know what I'm talking about? Is this that game? Because I honestly don't remember this game at all. But I think it's that, because the character model I remember. It's getting dark, better get a flashlight out of the trunk. Oh, why is my sense of... Oh, this sensitivity. What is this camera? Whoa. Oh my god, bro. Who made this camera work? Puppet Combo. I know this thing was like 80 years old, but... God. Whoa! Okay.
Oh no! Anyway.
Just calmly walk. Okay, bro, like, fuck. I'm trying to get the thing. Maybe I have to open the truck myself? Okay. The voice crack. My flashlight! Pick it up? Should I pick up this flashlight that I said that I needed? Should I? What the fuck? Alright. I'm getting more hang of the controls. Maybe it isn't as bad. Let me go back to my car. Oh, fuck. It's boarded up. Break through? What you mean it's boarded up? Or look at that flimsy ass wood. Oh crap, how do I... Also, what am I doing out here? What is the purpose again? I crashed, but like, why am I just looking around? Am I looking for like cellular service? Like what am I doing? Fuck. Oh my god! What the fuck, bro? Damn. My whole body just like moisturized, it felt like. Bitch ass jump scare. Told y'all I wasn't gonna get scared. Wait. Okay. Fuck. Store's open. Shit. Fuck. Again. Hell no, we ain't going. I said no. No. Get the fuck out. Bro, I just... What? I gotta go find Jeff. Fuck. Fuck. Why did I hide in this bitch? Why did I think that I could find a phone in some abandoned ass thing? What was this girl thinking? Hell nah, bro. I'd rather just die than explore this place. Someone locks me in and I'm still exploring. I'm kicking that thing down. What am I doing exploring this? Fuck. Ah! What am I doing exploring this place? Like, someone locked me in. They want me to be in here. Oh my god. I'm not scared. Yeah, I knew it. I knew this is what this was. I'm not scared. Oh, Oh, come on. Wait, why is this still here? Can't even see my mouse. Look, retry. Fuck. Monster. How did I feel? I'm sorry. 1, 2. Bitch. There's a person up there. What? I can already hear walking. Alright. They locked me in. Probably the guy who teleported because he's Jesus apparently. So you literally just don't know where they spawn? What up? Bitch, I clenched my ass cheeks right there. Bro, I'm not even... I hardly know how to move, like... What the fuck was that? You see that? Oh my... See, I'm playing this. Oh my god. See, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Just walk around and get jump scared. Probably supposed to pick up some. Just a greasy old toilet, nothing useful. Okay, I got locked in again, bro. And she's just chill now. She's like, whoa, no one locked me in, bro. I don't know. Oh, actually. Maybe I said, yup, there you go. Something. Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it? Well, the search continues for 2 missing campers in the... Okay, so basically... Yeah, whoever was here died. Okay. Damn it. Someone went here and died. Moral of the story. I still haven't seen the baby monster. What do I do if I see the baby monster to begin with? In the arcade version, you can, like, juke them, but here it's like, what do I do? Speaking of which, yeah, if this video gets 50 likes, I'll do the arcade version. Okay? You're welcome, because I can at least beat that. I'm so lost here, and this is probably a bit more scary, so you won't hear me screaming as much. It's locked. It's a locked metal door. I feel like I'm being watched here. You don't say. You literally got locked in here, and you know it, and you feel like you're being watched. Man, fuck. Come on, tell me this is the same door. Oh my god, I feel like I'm being watched. Ooh, bro, you got Baldy from Baldy's Basics in this thing. Sugar tunnel. Sugar tunnel. Oh, damn, brother. Sugar tunnel. They're probably waiting for me over here. They know I want some sugar. Aw, shit. Actually, it's an actual, like, non-ending tunnel. I clicked off. Where's my mouse? It's like... Y'all seriously should have locked the mouse. Because I know I'm going to die again. I'm going to escape them, accidentally move my mouse off, and then I'm going to die. I probably should not be running either. So I doubt it's running, which means it... I'm big braining this. Maybe I should, like, sit back and watch for it to walk by. So now I can go in the opposite direction. Nah, that's too big brain. We ain't doing that to this game. It'll be the first try. Why are you exploring this place, bro? Like, who are you? This girl is like, she is the bravest of us all. This is new. Okay. Please don't tell me the monster's down here. That would be so lame. Okay. Oh my god. If I die, can I please respawn here? Oh, hell no, bro. I'm in the sewer. They're behind me. Okay. What's that? Looks like it's the second part of a newspaper article. The original building was an orphanage. That's why it's a baby monster. World War II. They can't get me if I'm, like, reading this, right? It's not walking around. Okay, I'm not looking. Ooh, damn, you got 10,000 things. Please give me a gun. Looks like a newspaper article. Read it. Braden Mill. 19. Who cares? God, I'm not here for the lore. I'm here to beat this thing like a big boy. Pause. Some residents are cursed who seek to land this. What? We'll shut down. Where's my mouse? Okay, there it is. I just want to make sure I'm not about to... Okay. Please don't touch me. I am still a virgin and I'm saving myself. Oh, hell nah, bro. This wasn't even a new area. I really just came down here for one room. I thought I went to the next level or something. It's a really tight area, though. There's, like, no escaping this monster. Am I just looking for a big... Ooh, ooh, get the fuck out of here! Shit! Shit! Get the fuck out of here, bro. Oh, fuck! I don't know what to do. My pee-pee tingles. Bitch, turn this way. Oh my god, everywhere's a freaking dead end. Dude, just close the toilet bowls. Oh, I found the deepest level. It's a chase sequence! It's a chase sequence! Outrun this bitch! Woo! Oh shit! I thought they were done chasing me. It got quiet. Ugh. If this spawns me at the beginning, I'm done. Do I have lives?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. I really don't know what I'm supposed to do exactly. I'm guessing I'm supposed to escape, and I was getting there, and then the little baby monster man came after me and killed me because, you know, stupid stuff like that. I thought I escaped him, but apparently I didn't. So yeah, 50 likes and I'll play this game again. And if you want me to do the arcade version instead, or just do that one too, I'll do that, because at least I know what I'm doing there, right? At least I got like 5 levels through and then rage quit, and then it turned out my quality was like 144p. Anyways, that's gonna do it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to slam that like button with your forehead, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take care, peace.